Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Convertkit account. So first go to www.convertkit.com, and on the right side you can see sign up for free. Click on there. And then fill in the details such as your email and password. And after that you'll get some questions. Just click on whatever the correct answer is for you, and after that just click on continue, and then click continue. So there you go, that's how you create a Convertkit account. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.